Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Pet Treater Cat Pack unboxing for September. Let's see what came this month. Right on top, this is Jackson's favorite thing about this subscription. You get a cute little cat sticker each month, and he's got a little chopstick with a fly in it. That's pretty funny. Also, they always put an advertisement in there. If you tag them on social media of your unboxing, you get a free item in your next box. So that's what that is mentioning. Looks like we got a few toys. This one is Crazy Claws Puff Bunny. Contains catnip. It's pretty interesting. It's textured. And it's cute too. I could definitely see why Kitty would want that. So got that. Also have a cat string toy collection by Billy Cat Supply. So there's a little creature and then a little ball. Pretty neat. Also have some treats, some jerky chips, cheeky chicken made with real chicken, all natural, gluten-free, and grain-free. And then, let's see what this is. Oh, that's cute. Looks like a little, perhaps a kitchen towel. And it says made from scratch, and it has a little cat with a chef hat and his little claws out. That's pretty funny. So every month you typically get a couple toys, some treats, and sometimes miscellaneous items. So that is what I got. If you guys want to sign up, I'll have all the information below. I think there's even a promo code. So I'll leave all that information in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.